know how to do the weave where you go under? Okay, I'll stand on my right leg, go under my left, and then I'll stand on my left leg, go under my right. If we were to work on that, I would say the first step associated with that is working on the core exercise for it. The first thing I would say is ignoring the poi and just focusing on what you're doing with your body. From the back view, if you are lifting your left leg up, what happens is you lift and then cross to the opposite side. Right? So it's coming up and then you cross it over to the right side because that's how you exit underneath it. So showing you from the side view, lift, cross, and then down. And then we could just switch legs and do the same thing with the other leg. Lift, cross, back home. Lift, cross, back to resting. Lift, cross, back to resting. Lift, cross, back to standing. Lift, cross, back to standing. And it's important that you don't go this way, but that you go this way, so you go over the top. It's like an overhand, 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 overhand. And then I think it's helpful to remember you don't turn out and cross, you lift up and cross. So it's up and over. And then, of course, because we want to look pretty doing it, let's remember to point our toes. And let's do 20 sets of each side. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. I guess I'll count to 46 because I counted each one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's review the left poi under the right leg. You're doing a side to side crossover. And then as it's getting to the right side, you lift the leg and then open and cross to the left. I'll show you this way now. You lift and cross. Lift, cross. For me, it's helpful to reach the hand higher up on the leg as opposed to lower down on the leg, and a little bit more toward my groin is helpful for me. Yeah, feel the heat. It's generally a good rule with under the leg, where you're trying to feel the heat of your groin on your hand. So let's do it where we go 1, 2, 3, under, 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 1, 2, 3, under. I think that was 10. Let's do the other side. Let's make sure that we can do this one under the leg. Yeah, that's definitely my stronger one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and under. 1, 2, 3, and under. 1, 2, 3, 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 under, 1, 2, 3, under, 1, 2, 3, under, 1, 2, 3, under, 1, 2, 3, under. And I think that was 10 on that side. This is actually useful. If you wrap up the poi for the hand, and you imagine you're doing a weave where you go over, under, home, 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 and then you just add the other poi in, and you just do the one side repeatedly, and not the other side. This can help you get it. 4 and 5. Let's do the right under the left without, so let's tie up your left poi, and we'll just do it without the left poi in the way, where we do over, under, home, over, under, home, over, under, home, over, under, home, over, under, home. So that was 5. And then you could do it where you have both poi involved, over, under, home, over, under, home, over, under, home. You've done both sides. Once you do both sides, what you can try and do is alternate the two of them. Now, if you can't alternate them like this, that's right under left, left under right, right under left, left under right. If you're not ready to be there yet, what you could do is this, which you did a minute ago, where you go, okay, right under left, I'm back in my weave. Left under right, I'm back in my weave. When I'm ready, right under left, I'm back in my weave. Left under right, I'm back in my weave. Until you can go one to the other, and you're doing them continuously. If you do it where your poi are making a very tight path like this the whole time through, it's much harder to go one to the other. If you make the hand path bigger so that the circles are bigger, but really the point is so that you're going slower, you have more time to go one leg to the other leg, to the first leg, to the second leg, to the first leg, to the second leg, and so on. When you start using both hands, what can be useful to think about is, because you're alternating, if I'm in my weave, so it would be my right hand goes here, then my left hand is going to go under on that side, right? So right hand, left hand. So I'm lifting the opposite leg from the hand that I'm staying. I also, for me, your mileage may vary, I feel like if I move forward as I'm executing it, it looks less like I'm like a hunchback trying to reach under my crotch, you know? Like, to me, that feels like it has more, I mean, I also think there's more performance value because you're traversing the stage as you're doing it, but I think it helps because I'm putting my foot down in front of me, and instead of needing, if you're standing in the same place, when you cross over, you have to bring your foot back. But this way, you can cross over and then put it down in front of you, then cross over and put it down in front of you, which saves however many inches it is that you would have to move back, that I think just makes it can make it a little more graceful. Maybe more athletic people don't have that issue.